Passive House is driven by air quality and comfort. Rigorous attention to detail from the initial design stage through the construction stage to the final testing of the building envelope ensures the indoor environment is comfortable, air quality is excellent, and the energy efficiency of the Passive House is unsurpassed. This all thanks to the science of thermal dynamics being applied to the home's design right from the planning stage. Indeed, any building that uses high levels of insulation, high-performance window glazing and insulated frames, an airtight design eliminating thermal bridges and a constant fresh air supply with heat recovery can be independently certified through the Passive House planning package. It's not hard to generate more energy than you need by building a better performing design in the first place. This is called the fabric first approach.
Most new homes in Australia leak about 12 times their volume in an hour. Passive House requires that this leakage is reduced to 0.6 of the volume per hour. This saves enormous amount of energy in reheating or recooling the fresh air that's brought into the house and a normal ventilation system.
This Cottesloe property is the first Passive House certified home in WA, and there are only a few in Australia. The property generates its own renewable energy, whilst providing power to neighbours by returning excess energy to the grid. This not only eliminates the use of fossil fuel generated power, but also virtually eliminates transmission issues, giving a massive efficiency gain of up to 60%. The amount of generated energy using this method means this project has achieved the highest possible rating of Passive House Premium. This stunning Cottesloe property is the first in Australia to achieve this accolade, and there are only a handful of premium rated properties throughout the world.
Well, we've been living in this house for almost 2 years, so in that time I have to say it's an extremely comfortable environment. It's so peaceful inside, so we're pretty much insulated from the outside world. That's the feeling you get.
The success of a Passive House certified project relies upon the utmost attention during the initial design phase. This is imperative from a cost perspective, as it is not possible to adapt an already designed building due to the thermal bridges currently being used in construction.
The success of Passive House relates to being involved in the very early stages of the selection of the construction system, allowing for thermal insulation to be continuous and the elimination of thermal bridging in the systems.
One of the most notable benefits of the Passive House concept is its so-called freshness. Stale moist air is constantly extracted from bathrooms, laundries and kitchens. This feature of the Passive House concept removes the potential for condensation and mould growth, along with allergy concerns. The overall heat exchange cure is in the Heat Recovery Ventilation Unit, or HRV, which can be up to 96% efficient.
In this house, the temperature is constant and the atmosphere is constant. I've seen how well it works. It's just an efficient, comfortable environment, and I like efficiency and I like comfort.